Greetings to everyone. Today we're going to talk about a critical topic, finding the best lawyer for your car accident case. Now, you might wonder, why is it so important to find the right legal representation? Well, the answer is simple. The lawyer you choose can significantly impact the outcome of your case. They're not just there to fill out paperwork and speak legal jargon. A good car accident lawyer is your advocate, your protector, and your guide through what can be a complex and challenging process. They work to protect your rights, negotiate with insurance companies, and strive to maximize your compensation. They bring expertise to your case, investigate the accident, and litigate on your behalf if necessary. In essence, the right car accident lawyer can be the difference between feeling lost and being confidently represented. Deciding to hire a lawyer after a car accident can be one of the most important decisions you'll make. You might ask, why do I need a lawyer after a car accident? Well, let's dive into that. Picture this. You've been in an accident, and suddenly you're faced with medical bills, car repairs, and lost wages. On top of that, you're dealing with insurance companies who are experts at minimizing payouts. That's where a car accident lawyer comes in. They are there to protect your rights and ensure you're not taken advantage of. They'll negotiate with insurance companies on your behalf, taking that stress off your plate. But they do more than just negotiate. They help maximize your compensation, fighting for you to get every penny you deserve to cover your expenses and compensate for your pain and suffering. So in the whirlwind aftermath of a car accident, a lawyer is the steady hand guiding you through the legal maze. A good lawyer is your best ally in dealing with the aftermath of a car accident. Knowing when to seek legal help is vital. It's not always immediately apparent. The aftermath of a car accident can be overwhelming. You may be grappling with physical injuries, emotional trauma, and a damaged vehicle. Amid these challenges, it can be difficult to determine the severity of your situation and whether you need a lawyer. Assessing the severity of your accident is the first step towards seeking legal help. Minor fender benders with no or minor injuries might not require legal assistance, but if you've been involved in a major accident with serious injuries, significant property damage, or loss of income, you likely need a lawyer to protect your interests. The more severe the accident, the higher the potential for legal and financial complications. But the severity of the accident isn't the only factor to consider. Dealing with insurance companies can be a complex affair. They may appear friendly and cooperative, but remember, their ultimate goal is to pay out as little as possible. They have experienced adjusters and attorneys on their side, working to minimize your claim. If you're feeling pressured by an insurance company to accept a quick settlement, or if they are disputing your claim, it's time to bring in a lawyer. An attorney can help you navigate these complexities, negotiate on your behalf, and strive for a fair settlement that reflects the true value of your claim. Similarly, if liability for the accident is in dispute, or if multiple parties are involved, legal representation becomes essential. These situations can quickly become entangled in legal complexities that require an experienced hand to unravel. Remember, every car accident case is unique, with its own set of circumstances and challenges. When in doubt, it's always a good idea to consult with a lawyer. They can evaluate your case, advise you on the best course of action, and take over the legal heavy lifting so you can focus on your recovery. The sooner you get a lawyer involved, the better your chances of a favorable outcome. Don't wait until you're in over your head. The right legal help at the right time can make all the difference. Once you decide to hire a lawyer, the next step is finding the right one. Now you might wonder how to go about this. Well, it starts with research. You can look for potential lawyers in your local area, or even search online. A good lawyer will have a strong online presence, complete with client reviews and case results. These reviews can provide valuable insights into the lawyer's competence and their ability to handle cases similar to yours. Next, check their credentials. You want someone who's specialized in car accident cases. This specialization means they will be familiar with the nuances of such cases and the strategies that work best. Also, consider their experience. A lawyer who's been practicing for several years will likely have dealt with a variety of situations and know how to navigate the complexities of the legal system. Now, once you've shortlisted a few potential lawyers, it's time for the initial consultation. This is typically a free meeting where you get to discuss your case with the lawyer. It's also a chance to gauge whether you feel comfortable with them. After all, you'll be working closely together, so it's crucial to find someone you trust and feel at ease with. Prepare for this meeting by jotting down the key details of your accident and any questions you have. You could ask about their experience with similar cases, their approach to handling your case, and their fee structure, among other things. Remember, there's no such thing as a silly question. The more information you have, the better positioned you will be to make an informed decision. Lastly, don't rush the process. Take your time to find someone who's the right fit for you. You want a lawyer who's not only skilled and experienced, but also empathetic and understanding. Someone who will fight for your rights and work tirelessly to ensure you get the compensation you deserve. Choosing the right lawyer can make all the difference in your case. So take your time, do your research, and make a choice that feels right for you. After all, it's not just about winning your case, it's about finding justice and closure. After hiring a lawyer, it's time to start building your case. A robust case isn't built overnight. It requires a meticulous collection of evidence and a deep understanding of the legal landscape. But don't worry, you're not alone in this process. Your lawyer is there to guide you every step of the way, ensuring you put your best foot forward. Key to building a compelling case is gathering evidence. Evidence forms the backbone of your claim, providing tangible proof of what happened during the accident. This includes photographs of the accident scene, showing the position of the vehicles, any road conditions or traffic signs that may have contributed to the accident. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words, and in a car accident case, it could be worth much more. But evidence isn't just visual. Witness statements can play an instrumental role in substantiating your claim. Did someone see the other driver run a red light? Did they witness the impact? Their testimonies can solidify your case, providing a third-party perspective of the incident. In addition, medical records and accident reports are indispensable. They serve as an official record of your injuries and the circumstances of the accident, respectively. Your medical records will detail the extent of your injuries, the treatment you've received, and the projected path of your recovery. Accident reports, on the other hand, often include an initial assessment of fault, which can be pivotal in your claim. Lastly, there's the role of expert witnesses. These are individuals with specialized knowledge in a particular field, and they can provide valuable testimony in your case. For instance, a medical expert can speak to the nature and severity of your injuries, while an accident reconstruction expert can help piece together how the incident occurred. Building a strong case is a meticulous process, but it's a crucial one. It gives you the best chance at securing the compensation you rightfully deserve. With a strong case and the right lawyer, you can confidently face the legal process. The legal process can be daunting, but your lawyer will guide you through it. Car accidents often lead to insurance claims, and this is where the real battle begins. Insurance companies are notorious for their tactics designed to minimize payouts or even deny claims outright. Adjusters may seem friendly, but remember, their primary goal is to save their company money. They might delay the processing of your claim, dispute the severity of your injuries, or even blame you for the accident. Your lawyer, however, knows these tactics all too well. They'll stand up to the insurance companies, ensuring that your rights are protected. They'll negotiate on your behalf, armed with evidence and expert witnesses to maximize your compensation. This might involve demonstrating the severity of your injuries, the cost of your medical care, any lost wages, and how your life has been impacted by the accident. But what if a fair settlement can't be reached? Well, that's when your case may head to court. This is a more complex process, but your lawyer will guide you every step of the way. First, there's the discovery phase. This is when both sides investigate the facts of the case, gathering evidence, interviewing witnesses, and possibly consulting with experts. It's a time-consuming process, but a crucial one, as the strength of your case often depends on the quality of evidence presented. After discovery comes trial preparation. Your lawyer will develop a strategy, anticipating the arguments the defense may use and preparing responses. They'll also prepare you, helping you understand what to expect in court and how to present your testimony effectively. Finally, there's the trial itself. This can be an intimidating experience, but remember, your lawyer is there to represent you. They'll present your case, cross-examine witnesses, and argue on your behalf. They'll strive to convince the jury of the defendant's liability and the extent of your damages. With the right lawyer by your side, you can navigate the legal process and secure the best outcome for your case.